Good morning and happy Tuesday. We're on day 5 of module 155, and we're doing our little 5-minute video, and I'm going to start off with some announcements. I want to remind you that you have an exam today. It's due, Sunday at 11:55 because you have that full week to do it. Today we have NCCT review, the claims section. At 2 o'clock. The link is found in your grade tab area. If you go in and you click NCCT, you'll see the link there, so you can join at 2 o'clock. If you cannot join, it will be recorded, and I'll put the recording there for you. You also have your claims packet in that portion also. Today, you're going to be doing a medical terminology review Quizlet. Please let me know if you have any issues with that. But beyond that, we're going to be discussing the format of Chapter 25 today, which is our pathology and laboratory section. So let me share my screen so that I'm not just reading off the screen and you guys don't have anything to look at. Come on. So we're just going to be going through this portion of your textbook. I'm going to save you a little bit of reading also. So let's talk about our format. The pathology and laboratory section of the CPT manual is formatted according to the type of test performed: automated, multi-channel, panel, assays, and so forth. To familiarize yourself with the content of pathology and laboratory section, review the subsections in the CPT manual. This will help you get a broad overview of the contents of this important section. So laboratories have built-in indicators that allow additional tests to be performed without a written order from the physician. These standards are set by the medical facility and imply that when a certain test is positive, it is assumed that the physician would want further information on the condition and specific additional tests performed. For example, if a routine urinalysis is performed, a culture is performed if the test is positive for bacteria. If a culture is performed to identify the organism, a sensitivity test is performed if the bacteria are of certain type or count as predetermined by the medical facility to warrant the additional laboratory studies. You will code only after the tests are performed, because an order for a laboratory test does not ensure that the tests will be performed. This standard ensures that all laboratory tests performed are reported. Remember that what the physician ordered may not be all that the laboratory work performed, depending on the facility's policy concerning indicators. So just always remember that example. Just because the physician has requested something to be done, but the lab has taken a urinalysis and said, okay, we have bacteria here and this is the count. It means they need to take measures to identify the bacteria found in the urinalysis, and so the orders may change a little bit. So the pathologist has the power in certain cases to do the additional testing, so they can give the full picture to the physician, so the physician can come up with a treatment plan. So the services in the pathology and laboratory section include laboratory tests only. The collection of the specimen is reported separately from the analysis of the test. For example, if a technician in a clinic laboratory withdraws blood by means of venipuncture from the arm, the blood sample was taken, then analyzed in the laboratory, you would report 36415 for venipuncture, as shown in figure 25.1, and we'll look at that in just a moment, in addition to a code to report the test performed on the blood in the laboratory. Please tab 36415 and just say venipuncture on a tab so you know where that's found automatically, because venipuncture is used quite regularly. So, of course, this is a venipuncture. So that is our little 5-minute video for Tuesday. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget NCCT, for some of you, that's coming up very quickly after your graduation. So it's important for you to either watch or actually come to these classes. Have a great day. Let me know if you need anything. Bye-bye, guys.